Hi students, I am Sekhar Mande. Welcome once again my YouTube channel. Now in this video, we are going to learn Standard 8, chapter number 16, Surface Area and Volume, in which we will see surface area of a cylinder. आता surface area of cylinder बघा, cylinder काय? Just this type of figure, रिकामा डबा वगैरे असेल गोल, त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण सिलेंडर. आता सिलेंडर साठी आपल्याला दोन डायमेन्शन्स आहेत. काय काय डायमेन्शन्स आहेत? एक काय रेडियस ऑफ बेस, हे दोन्ही बेस काय राहील सर्क्युलर राहील बरोबर, आणि हे काय राहील हाईट बरोबर. आता आपल्याला फर्स्ट बघायचं की काय रेडियस ऑफ बेस इज इक्वल टू आर, हाईट इज इक्वल टू एच. हे दोन डायमेन्शन आर आणि एच राईट. आता फर्स्ट वन कर्व सरफेस एरिया. आता कर्व सरफेस एरिया कसा बघा, हा जो सिलेंडर आहे, हा सिलेंडर काय केला आपण कट केला. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हे जसं सिलेंडर आहे तो जर आपण काय केलं इथून कट केला तर काय होईल, टू गेट रेक्टेंगल. काय होईल आपल्याला असं रेक्टेंगल भेटेल. हा जो रेक्टेंगल आहे, हा रेक्टेंगल this round is nothing but this length, circumference of this base. So what is circumference? That is circumference of circle is 2 pi r, right? Again this is height is h, so curved surface area is equal to काय होतं तुम्हाला 2 pi r. This is rectangle, this is length, and this is breadth. So 2 pi r into h. So curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. Again, total surface area. Total surface area, how we get total surface area? Cylinder चा खालचा आणि वरचा सर्व भाग बरोबर. कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया area of lower face of base plus area of upper face. So what is it? This is 2 pi r h. Now this circular, this base is circular, so its area is pi r square. Again this is also pi r square. 2 pi r h, pi r square and pi r square, 2 pi r square, right? So what you get? 2 pi r common, h is here, here is r, or r plus h. So this is a formula for total surface area of cylinder, 2 pi r, r plus h or h plus r, and this is curved surface area 2 pi r h. Okay. Now dear student, we will see practice set 16.2. In each example, question number 1, in each example given below, radius of base of a cylinder and its height are given. Radius आणि काय दिलेलं आपल्याला, height दिलेली. Then find the curved surface area and the total surface area. First one go on, the first, second, third and fourth. First one, r is equal to 7 centimeter, h is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. सिंपली काय करायचं आपण, तुम्हाला कॅल्क्युलेशन्स करायचे सोपे. 2 पाय आर एच, सो 2 by 7, r is 7, h is 10. पायची व्हॅल्यू काय घ्यायची आपल्याला, पाय जो दिलेला असेल तो, नाही अदरवाइज 22 by 7 दिलेला नसेल. 2 सॉरी this 7 1 the 7 7 1 the 7, and 2 into 22 into 10, that is 44 into 10, 44 into 10, that is 440 square centimeter. Area, unit is centimeter, so area is square centimeter. Again total surface area, 2 pi r h plus r or r plus h. 2 into 22 by 7. R is 7. What is h? 10. 10 plus 7. 7 7 cancel. 2 into 22 into 17. 24 into 17. 17 4 जा 68. 6 carry. Tables turn असणं आवश्यक आहे. 17 4 जा 68. 68 and 6 74 square centimeter. This is the first example, that is when r is 7 centimeter and h is 10 centimeter. Okay? Simple part. Second, r is 1.4 centimeter, h is equal to 2.1 centimeter. फक्त डेसिमल पॉइंट झालेले घाबरून जायचं नाही. सो कट सरफेस एरिया 2 pi r h 2 into 22 by 7. R is 1.4 2.1. So 7 1 जा 2 into 22 into 0.2. 22 2 जा 44. 0.2 into 2.1. Again 44 2 जा 88. Decimal 1 digit before. अथवा 88 into 8.8 into 2.1. 21 8 जा 168. 16 carry. 21 8 जा 168. 14 1 carry. 184. Decimal 2 digit before. So 18.48 square centimeter. Unit is centimeter. So second, total surface area 2 pi r h plus r. 2 into 22 by 7. R is 1.4. Again 2.1 plus 1.4. 7 1 जा 22 into 0.2. And this is 2 plus 1 3 3.5. So 44. 35 into 2 70. Decimal 1 and 2. कॅल्क्युलेशन कसे करायचे लक्षात ठेवा. या दोघं प्लस सुपर 8 काय 0.7 44 into 0.7. So 7 4 जा 28 2 carry. 7 4 जा 28 and 2 30. So 30.8 square centimeter. Right? This is one. Second one. The third one बघा. फॉर्म्युले लक्षात ठेवा. सगळे फॉर्म्युले एका ठिकाणी व्यवस्थित लिहा. ऑडिओवर तुम्हाला हे लागणार आहे. पुढे स्पर्धा परीक्षेसाठी सर्वांसाठी लागणार आहे. कळत न कळत आपल्याला हे फॉर्म्युले लागतात. R is equal to 2.5 centimeter. H is equal to 7 centimeter. First one called surface area 2 pi r h. 2 into 22 by 7. R is 2.5 and this is h is 7. 7 7 get cancel. 22 2 into 22 into 2.5. 22 4 44. 25 4 100. 0 10 carry. 25 4 100 and 110. Decimal 1 digit before, so 110 square centimeter. Again, total surface area. Pi r s plus r. Sorry. So 22 by 7. R is 2.5. H is 7 plus 2.5. So 22, 44. Here is 7 plus 2, 9. 9.5. 7 च्या टेबल मध्ये 9.5 नाही. आता बघ काय करावं लागेल. यांच्या दोघांचं 110 44 into 2.5 110 into 9.5 by 7. Remember here 7 plus 2 9 9.5. So 0 11 5 are 55 5 carry 11 9s are 99 99 and 5 104. Decimal 1 digit before, so 1045 divided by 7. 7 1 the 7 7 4 the 28 7 9 the 63 7 2 the 14 7 8 the 56. So 149.28 square centimeter. Okay. Now dear student, fourth one of this, find the cut surface area and total surface area of cylinder. That is, what is the fourth? R is equal to 70 centimeter, S is equal to 1.4 centimeter. So first one, cut surface area 2 pi r h. So 2 into 22 by 7. What is r? 70 and h is 1.2. So 7 1 are 7 10s are. This is 440. So 0 14 4s are 56 5 carry 14 4s are 56 and 5 61. So 616 square centimeter. Second one, total surface area 2 pi r h plus r. So 2 into 22 by 7. R is 70. Again, h is 1.4 plus 7. So this is 7 1s are 7 10s are 2 into 22 into 10 into this is 71.4. So this is 440 71.4. So 71.4 into 440 0. Next after 14 is given 44 ne 4 4s are 16 1 carry 4 1s are 4 and 1 5 4 7s are 28 again 6 5 and this is 6 11 1 carry 14 1 carry 9 9 plus 2 11 1 carry 3. So 10 is here, decimal, so 31,416 square centimeter. This is the total surface area, right? Now next one, last one is R is equal to 4.2, H is equal to 14 centimeter. What surface area? Pi R H, R 4.2, H 14. So 7 ones are, this is 2.1. So 44, again 44 into 2.1, 21 for the 84, 8 carry, 21 for the 84 and 8, 92, decimal 1 digit before, into 14, 14 for the 56, 5 carry, 14 to the 28 and 2, 33, 3 carry, 14 9 the 126 and 3, 129 square centimeter. Again, total surface area, two pi what is R 4.2, again 4.2 14 plus 4.2, 7 ones are 7 6 are, so 2 into 22, 14 plus 4 18, 18.2. This is 44. So 6 4s are 24, 2 carry, 6 4s are 24 and 2, 26. So 26.4 into 18.2, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 and 1, 5. 8 4s are 32, 3 carry, 8 6 are 48, 48 and 3, 51, 5 carry, 8 2s are 16, 16 and 5, 21, 4, 6, 2, 8, 4, 8. So decimal is 2 digit before. 480.48 square centimeter. This is total surface area. Okay. Now question number 2 of 16.2. Find the total surface area of closed cylindrical drum if its diameter is 50 cm and height is 45 cm. Cylindrical drum दिलेला आहे, closed दिलेला आहे दोन्ही बाजूला. काय दिलं आपल्याला डायमीटर दिलेले डायमीटर फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्लोज सिलेंडर ड्रम इफ इट्स डायमीटर इज 50 सेंटीमीटर and radius height 45 centimeter. So diameter 50 centimeter, therefore radius of base 1/2 50, that is 25 centimeter. Again h height 45 centimeter. आणि मेन आपल्याला काय दिलं बघा, इथे पायची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली 3.14 and pi is equal to 3.14. So काय फाइंड करायचं, फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया. So 2 into 3.14, what is R 25, H 45. So there is 6.28 into 25. This is 69. Sorry, 69 is 70. H plus R is 70. 25 8s are 200. 20 carry. 25 2s are 50. 50 into 70. 7 carry. 25 6 are 150. 157. Decimal 2 digit before. So 157 into 70. 0. 7 7 are 49. 4 carry. 7 5s are 35. 35 and 4 39. 3 carry. 7 1s are 7 and 3 10. Square centimeter. This is the total surface area of this cylinder with given height and diameter. Dear student, question number 3. Find the area of the base and radius of a cylinder if its curved surface area is 660 square centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. So, given curved surface area height to find area of base and radius. Now curved surface area 660, that is 2 pi r h, therefore 2 into 22 by 7, what is r, find out करायचं h 660. So 7 1 are 7 3s are 2 into 22 into 3 into r is equal to 660. So r is equal to 660 divided by 2 into 22 into 3. So 660. This is 66. 66 ones are 10 by 2. R is equal to 5 centimeter. So radius is 5 centimeter. We have to find and the area of base. Area of base pi r square. So 22 by 7 or r square is, here we take 22 by 7 divided by 3.14 into 5 square. पायच्या जागेवर काय आपण 25 3.14 कारण काय 5 हा 7 च्या मल्टिपल मध्ये नाही. सो 25 4 जा 100 10 carry 25 1 जा 25 and 10 35 3 carry 25 3s are 75 and 3 78. So this is square centimeter. The area of base is 78.50 square centimeter. Radius is 5 centimeter. Now, dear student, last question of 16.2. Find the area of the sheet required to make cylindrical container which is open at one side and whose diameter is 28 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. Find the approximate area of the sheet required to make a lead of height 2 centimeter for this container. तो आता आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे की किती सीट लागणार आहे कशासाठी कंटेनर बनवण्यासाठी सिलेंड्रिकल कंटेनर बनवण्यासाठी या टाईपचे सिलेंडर बनवण्यासाठी त्याच्यात काय दिलं आपलं कंडिशन की टॉप काय त्याचं ओपन आहे म्हणजे एकच साईड यायचं आपल्याला आणि कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. पण सेकंड क्वेश्चन काय की हा जो कंटेनर आहे याला काय करायचं आहे झाकण बनवायचं लीड. तर त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला किती एरिया लागेल किती सीट लागेल त्याचा कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया काढायचा आपलं त्याचा सरफेस एरिया काढायचा. बरं हे पण काय राहील एका बाजूने ओपन राहील एकूण क्लोज राहील. त्याची हाईट काय दिलेली आपल्याला 2 सेंटीमीटर. डायमीटर काय राहील सेम राहील. किती दिलं आहे डायमीटर आपल्याला 28. याचा पण किती राहील 28. हाईट 20 सेंटीमीटर. फर्स्ट वन बघा डायमीटर is equal to 28 centimeter. Therefore radius centimeter. Height x is equal to 20 centimeter. So surface area of container without top is equal to कर्व्ड surface area plus area of base. So 2 pi RH plus pi r square. What is 2? Pi is 22 by 7. R is 14 and H is 20 plus 22 by 7. R is again 14 into 14 R square. So what will get 7 ones are 7 twos are 2 into 22 2 into 22 into 2 into 20 plus 7 ones are 7 twos are 22 into 2 into 14. Right? So what do we get here? 44 88 into 20. Here is 44 into 14. 0 2 8 is 16 1 carry 2 8 is 16 and 1 17 14 4s are 56 5 carry 56 and 5 61. So 7 7 6 0 6. So what will seat required is therefore seat required to make container is equal to 2376 square centimeter. Also आता आपल्याला काय बघायचं आहे लीड. आता हा लीड इज ऑल्सो सिलेंड्रिकल शेप. सो व्हाट टू फाइंड the approximate area of the seat required to make a lid. Now area of seat required to make lid is equal to again curved surface area plus area of base. कट सरफेस एरिया किती ते हाईट किती येणार आहे त्यात एच इज 2 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस इज सेम सो 2 पाय आर एच प्लस पाय आर स्क्वेअर सो व्हाट विल 2 into 22 by 7 into 22 by 7 into R R is 14 H is 2 no H2 again 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 7 ones are so 44 into 4 7 ones are 7 twos are 14 4 fours are 16 1 carry 4 fours are 16 and 1 17 this is 616 so 6 plus 6 2 1 carry 2 9 so area of sheet required to make lead is equal to 792 square centimeter. Okay.